Oh, and for anyone who thinks I wrote a book too quickly and good books cannot be written quickly, look at the history of how people write. In my mind, well, I know there's been some phenomenal works, just, someone goes to a cabin for a week and writes a whole book. But when I'm writing, I will dictate, I will take notes, I will do audio recordings, I'll do video recordings. Just like I need to get the story out as quickly as I can and stack the ideas, and then I can shuffle and organize and make them into something that makes sense. And then the other side of all this is, let's say it takes a certain number of hours, 100 hours, 1,000 hours, 2,000 hours, 5,000 hours to write a book or to draft a book. I've found that it is way easier to compress those hours. And I get better results personally if I tighten that work block. So let's say I need, let's see, a 90,000 word draft. If I'm really writing, I can do 2,000 words an hour. If I'm screaming, I can do 5,000 words an hour. But if it's leisure, it's like 1,000 words an hour. So let's say a draft takes 90 hours of like actually dedicated work time. I find it easier to write that in 2 weeks than 2 years. And I find it easier actually to do it in 1 week of just insane work and output. So anyway, I'm excited to share what I made. And this one's for me. So it's a little silly, and that's how I like to do it.